Well, hello, and welcome to Tim's Garage. Today we're going to be doing something quick and simple, but I just recently got a message on my Tesla. Chief, battery low. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to replace the battery in my Model X Tesla. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to start changing, replacing the battery on it. The battery that we're going to be using today is a CR2354, so CR2354. I got this one off of Amazon. Pack of two was, I don't remember, probably $5-7. I'll put a link in the description. My particular keychain has like a cover on it. So we're going to just remove this cover. So you most likely won't have this cover. It's just a carbon fiber looking cover. So this is what your key will look like, most likely. It's the Model X key. And what you're gonna do is there's a little hole here. So you're gonna grab probably like a small screwdriver or something. I'm gonna try to use my nail. With your nail, you can pop that open and it hooks from the bottom. And then from there, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna take this, this big key out. So we're most likely gonna need a small screwdriver for this. Don't have a screwdriver, but I do have a nail. So that came right out. And we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna put the new one back in. Slide it in to the bottom first, just press it in, and that should be it. So make sure it's secure. The positive side goes up, negative side goes down, and then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just slide this clip on the bottom. Make sure it clips in. Once it's clipped in, then we're gonna clip that forward. And that's going to be it for replacing the battery on a Tesla Model X key. All right, today's video is pretty quick and simple. Just hoping that, you know, if you're trying to figure out how to replace the battery, trying to figure out what battery you need. You know, I got the battery off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. But hopefully it helped you out. You know, it's not a difficult thing, but it's just knowing how to do it so you don't break these pretty expensive keys. So if you haven't done it so already, go ahead and subscribe, like, share, comment. Let me know if it helped you out. Anything else that you want to add, you know, go ahead and leave a comment in the description below. Y'all take care and stay safe.